Hello. Yeah, maybe you're also the same as me that also have problem with your Pi network, the node of your Pi network. Yeah, it says here unable to reach the network. Please provide the IP domain or of a known node to connect to, or as well as an alternative URL to download history from. I don't really know what's the reason why I have this error, but I managed to find a solution for it, and help me to solve this error or problem. So maybe it can also help yours. So please stay tuned, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Now, as you see here, I'm using a Docker desktop version 4.28.0. It says you're up to date, so it's which means I have the newest version of the Docker desktop. But still, why this error happened? Now my solution was I downgraded it to a Docker desktop version 4.20.1. So I uninstalled the old version, the updated or the newest version, and then I installed the old version, this version. So now here the old version is uninstalled successfully, and I installed the new version, as you can see here. So please watch until the end, so you will see that it was really working for me. Maybe it might also be a different case for you, or maybe you can try another version of Docker desktop. But for me, this works for me, and if you want, I will so you can download it easily, I will put it in the link in the description or in the comment section below. If you want, you can already go ahead and close this video or pause that video, but before you do that, please like and subscribe, and go ahead and download the this version that you will find in the comment section, and look it up there in the comment section. I will put it there. I will put the link there so you can easily find it. And but if you really want to see if it was really working for me, please go ahead and continue watching this video, because I started to make a recording of this video from March 19, how I did it, and then at the end of this video I also showed the March 30, until March 30, that until March 30 it didn't happen, it didn't I didn't have, or I didn't encounter any errors, and so far no errors yet, and hopefully it will continue like that. But I think if I will encounter the same error in the future, I will also still always do the same. I will uninstall the Docker and reinstall it again. But for now, I didn't encounter any errors yet. Before I forgot, I would like to mention that before I install the Docker, I force close, or I close the Pi node or my Pi app, and then I uninstalled the Docker, and then I restarted it, and then I reinstall, or I installed the old version, and then I restarted it again, and then I opened the Pi, and then I opened the Docker, and that's how I did it. But I think there is no steps, or first step or second step or third step that you are going to do. But if there is, please let me know in the comment section below, so I will also be aware of that. And I would like to say, I am not a pro, I am also a noob, a beginner trying to figure things out, and I'm just sharing also what works for me. Maybe it will also works for you. And here, as you can see, I'm using the version now, version 4.20.1, and let's check. So far there's no error yet. Now it's starting up. I move it here, maybe. Oh, what can I do? Maybe a little bit more higher, or maybe a bit higher. Maybe here is better. And let's go to troubleshooting. Yeah, take note or take a look at this. I recorded it March 19, 2024. So normally if there is an error or the same error as we had before, it will show up here in that area. And at the end I will also show you from March 30, 2024 that even until that time I didn't have error. So March 19, so until March 30 I didn't have error. So I think it is about 11 days that I didn't have error. So I hope it will stay like this also, and I hope this will also help yours. So moving forward, I am still in the version, my Docker desktop is still in the version of 4.20.1, and it's been about, here it's synced already, and now it's March 30, 2024, and up until now I didn't have the error, unable to reach the network, and my Docker desktop wants me to update it, but I don't want to. It's still working, it's sync, and as you can see here, its port is all open and it's working like before. So what is your experiences so far with the Pi node, or in general about the Pi network? Many said Pi network is a scam. Is it really so? Is the Pi network really a scam? What do you think? I personally don't know, and it doesn't cost me anything also, so why not try? So I'm just trying it out, and hopefully it will also gives us good result later on in the future. Yes, thank you for watching and have a nice day.